Hello there you beautiful people and welcome back. Now in this video we're going to finish off building Travis. So we're nearly there. We've just got to do something if the person isn't recognized. Well, first of all, because Travis is a very polite security system, we're going to get rid of this ugly message that says name not recognized. And we're going to put something a bit more friendly. So I'm going to make it say, I don't think I have met you yet. Then put that in there, the name. So if their name is Dan, I don't think I've met you yet, Dan. Now that's much better. So we then need to ask them whether they would like to be added to the list. So let's do that with an input statement. I'm going to create a variable called addMe equals input. Would you like to be added to the system? Tell them yes and no with the options, question mark, thing like that. We're just going to, I'm actually going to go up here and add a strip and lowercase, and then down here add a strip and lowercase. So now we've basically going to get the person's input. If they enter Y, it's going to, that means they want to be added to the list. So now we need an if statement to check for that. So if addMe equals Y, now we just need to add them to the list in here. Okay, so I'd like to show you how to do that. The way that we can add people to a list is use the append list method. So let me show you how we do that. We just type known users dot append that name. And it's as simple as that. The append method is going to take whatever you put inside of it. In this case, let's say it was, I don't know, John, right? If their name was John, we're going to append John to the end here. So let me show you that in example. We print the known users before we append, and we're going to print it after. Now let's save and run the code. And we're going to see, my name is Travis, what is your name? Let's say John. I don't think I've met you yet, John. Would you like to be added to the system? Let's say yes. We can see at the beginning that John isn't in the list. Then we append him, and he comes right to the end here. So that's how you can append names to, or append any item to a list in Python. So we're pretty much there, you guys. Let me just go and have a look at this code again to make a few finishing touches. So I'm going to first get rid of this whole print thing that I just used to display the point to you. Then we're going to get rid of that. Okay. Now let's say they enter no to any of these things. So let's say if remove is yes, then remove them. Else, if remove is no, then print no problem. I didn't want you to leave anyway. Okay, so that's the first one, giving him something nice to say, and then we can just down here, elif addMe equals no, then known users, oh no, not known users, print no worries, see you around. And that is pretty much it, you guys. Now the cool thing, because I've got it in cancel this. The cool thing, because I've got it in this while loop, it's going to continue to run over and over and over again. So let me show you what happens. My name is Travis. What's your name? Z is my name. I don't think I've met you yet, Z. Would you like to be added to the system? Yes. Hi, my name is Travis. Now if I enter my name again, right? Hello, Z. Would you like to be removed from the system? Let me say yes. Hi, my name is Travis. What is your name? Let's say Z again. So you can see the way the list is updating on each loop of the program, which is amazing because now we're keeping a data structure, or pretty much a database, isn't it, really, that is being continually updated and kept in the computer's memory that we can do with whatever we want. And it contains more than one piece of data. So I hope you can see just how powerful that is. So I'm just going to click no here. No worries, see you around. And that's the end of that.